Contenders!
According to the latest release data, India has replaced Russia to become the third largest military spender in the world after the United States and China. The annual military expenditure of India was $71.1 billion in the last fiscal year, and the total $62 billion defense budget for this fiscal year also includes a huge pension bill for around $18 billion. According to latest media reports, the Indian Ministry of Defence has officially issued a request for information for 234 new helicopters for the Indian Navy, which constitutes 123 naval multi-role helicopters with anti-submarine capabilities and 111 armed light naval utility helicopters, and the total value of the two contracts is estimated at $10 billion. Top experts have said that the Airbus AS565 is being considered as the top contender for the 111 light naval utility helicopters program, which is highly effective in over-the-horizon ship targeting with long-range anti-ship systems, and it is very easy to maintain due to its modular mechanical assembly design. While on the other hand, the Indian Navy wants the 123 naval multi-role helicopters to have full anti-submarine as well as anti-surface capability, and the top candidates include the NH-90 of NH Industries and the naval Super Puma of Eurocopter. Reports indicate that China is looking to increase the number of air-to-air systems that is carried internally on its J-20 stealth fighter jet. The J-20 currently carries only 4 PL-15 active radar-guided air-to-air systems in its internal bay, and 1 PL-10 short-range infrared-guided air-to-air system in 2 shoulder bays. China is working on the new PL-16, which will have a similar performance to the PL-15, but its wing and tail surfaces will be cropped, so that 6 PL-16 systems can be carried in the main internal bay of the J-20. As per latest reports, China has delivered 2 customized VT4 main battle tanks to an undisclosed foreign customer. The images shows VT4 tanks being transported on trucks, which have a new reactive armor, different from the tanks delivered to Thailand and Nigeria. A senior expert on land combat platforms has said that the new base armor design of the Chinese VT4 is a close copy of the Russian T-72B and the T-90A. Pakistan has signed 2 major submarine deals with China and Turkey in the last 5 years, which includes the purchase of 8 Chinese Type 42 submarines, and the Augusta 90B submarine modernization project worth $350 million to Turkey. Pakistan has been using the Cosmos MG-110 Midget submarines for secret operations, and top experts have said that the recently released satellite images have confirmed that Pakistan have indigenously developed a new Midget submarine which was proposed in 2015.